Download and install Java software. Please follow our IT Solutions website for more IT solutions. In this video we will discuss download and install steps by steps. First, you have to verify Java already installed or not. If yes, you have to check the Java version. You can go to Control Panel and select Java, then select About button. You can see the current version. If it is old version, when you open installation file you have a option call uninstall to remove the old version. If no exiting version, you can move to next step. First you have to download Java software from internet. In Google search bar type Java for Windows 64-bit or require version as per your system requirement and press search. Press Java download button appear in the web page. Next window press agree and start free download. Once downloaded the file, run as administrator. And next window press install. It will take 2 to 3 minutes as per your system performance. It can be more, depends on your system performance. Press close once finish. You can go to Control Panel and open Java and select About button. You can see the current version. If you want watch latest video release, please subscribe IT Solutions YouTube channel.